Hey friends, if you wish to prevent the creation of the system volume information folder whenever you connect a pen drive or an external hard drive through USB, then please watch this video. Now, what does this mean? It means that it will remove the indexing of removable drives. You will not find its data in the search bar and it will not show in history, and that is very important for drives which contain sensitive information. So here's what you have to do. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to in the left pane, go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft Windows, and go to this key. In the right pane, we will create a dword 32-bit entry named disable removable drive indexing. Right click new dword entry and name it the same. Now double click on it and change the value data to 1. Hit enter to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.